Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Cooking. I am Paula Padilla, your host. Today we're making something sweet and easy, strawberries with cream. Are you ready for a quick and delicious dessert? Let's get started. First, I wash the strawberries well. Then I remove the leaves with a knife. After, I cut them into pieces. Remember to be careful with the knife. After that, we put the milk and the sachet of chantilly cream in a container. Then I mix it with a hand mixer for 5 minutes, but quickly. Finally, I layer it in a glass to enjoy. You can enjoy it with your family, friends, or even for a business. You can decorate as you like and fill with other fruits. This recipe is very easy and delicious. You have tried it. Voila, strawberries with cream. If you like this recipe or have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for delicious recipes. It's time to cook. Bye bye!